Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 4 7mm screws and 6 2mm screws from the bottom cover. Some of the screws are different sizes, so be sure to keep track of which screws go where. Pry the bottom cover off the device. And rock the battery plug towards you and push forward to unplug. Unscrew 2 1mm screws from the trackpad hold-down bracket, 1 1mm screw from the Wi-Fi, and 2 1mm screws from the USB-C port hold-down bracket. Remove the brackets. Unplug the USB-C port from the motherboard. Unplug the speaker from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the microphone cable from the motherboard. Unplug the trackpad cable from the motherboard. And unplug the Wi-Fi antennas from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the motherboard. Remove 3 1mm screws from the speaker bracket and 2 1mm screws from the LCD cable bracket. Remove the brackets. And unplug the audio board from the motherboard. Unplug the LCD cable. Carefully remove the motherboard. Replace the motherboard. And replace the 6 3mm screws into the motherboard. Plug the audio board back into the motherboard. Plug in the LCD cable. Plug the USB-C port back into the motherboard. Plug the right speaker back into the motherboard. Plug the microphone cable back into the motherboard. Plug the trackpad cable back into the motherboard. Carefully press down to plug the Wi-Fi antennas back into the motherboard. Replace the speaker bracket, and replace the 3 1mm screws. Replace the USB-C hold-down bracket, and replace the 2 1mm screws. Replace the Wi-Fi antenna bracket, and replace the 1 1mm screw. Replace the trackpad cable bracket, and replace the 2 1mm screws. Replace the LCD cable bracket, and replace the 2 1mm screws. Plug the battery back in by rotating it into place. Replace the bottom cover, and replace the 4 7mm screws and 6 2mm screws.